Three strangers connected by one friend on a mission to send 2 kayaks across the Napali coast. This is our adventure. We just made it to Kauai! Oh, let's fucking go!
My man!
We found an Uber driver with a truck and he brought us to get our kayaks. We're gonna fit all of that on those 2 kayaks. The sandwich of gods. It's ready. But first, we camp in the bushes so that we can do an early sendout in the morning. Aloha! We are ready. It is a beautiful day. The sun is rising and we are about to get all of this shit on a kayak and then we're gonna go kayak the Napali coast and see the most remote places of Kauai. Yeah, baby. After our boat capsized, took away over there, slowly but surely making my way. It's beautiful. Alright, we made it, and this is our camp spot for the night. Let's check it out. Kissing time! Peanut butter! Motherfucking yes! Full update. Things did in fact get wet in the dry bags. The dry bags do not work. That's okay because we're alive and that's all that matters. And we're at a beautiful view like this. Oh my gosh. Now to do some solo exploring and see what's on top of these mountains. Guess who's hiking barefoot? This girl. Then we just went around and explored the rest of the beach and these caves. Alright, now we're on our way to go find some guavas, baby! Woo! Woo! Let's go get some real fruit.
Thank you. Let's go.
Yay, guavas! We also found some pools to swim in after to cool down before heading back down the mountain, which we also happened to swim in naked. Then ended the night with a fire with everybody from camp, but didn't get a video, so here's this one from the first day. Good morning! It's day 3! We're gonna go to a cave. Somewhere. This is where we slept. Beautiful. Fun fact, you could put 2 on 1.
What do we got here?
We got your guavas protected from the ants and all creatures.
Just need 1 guava in the face.
It's actually probably a really good one.
Oh my god.
Now off to go explore a nearby beach and cave. off to the ocean to go play in some waves. This was such an epic day. We literally had this beach all to ourselves for the whole entire day. Then it was time to kayak back to camp just for sunset so that we could all have a group dinner together, which other campers had nicely donated since they were leaving that day. Getting all our shit ready for the last paddle out.
Can't say I have energy.
Got energy for
Let's go! We're about to send a mission for the last bit and get to pull a hale and back to civilization. One last yak! That is water that we got from a waterfall. Ending our journey